Hey guys, my name is Azaria and welcome to my channel and welcome to my moisturizing deep conditioning routine. Before applying my deep conditioner, I shampooed my hair with this hydrating detangling shampoo from Kaale. And to deep condition today, I'll be using the TGIN Honey Miracle Hair Mask. The main ingredients in this mask is raw honey, olive oil, jojoba oil, and aloe vera leaf juice. So let's begin applying this mask. I always start by removing any excess water from my hair. I just find that the product absorbs better when I do this, so I always start out by removing the excess water. And I always apply my products at the front of my hair, by my edges first and to the top of my hair. I'm currently almost 15 weeks post relaxer, so my new growth is definitely coming through. So I'm going to baby them as much as possible. And once I finish with the front, I apply the product to the nape of my neck. This is another sensitive area for a lot of us, so make sure and baby this area as well and make sure that it's well saturated. Moving on to the length of my hair now, I usually apply the product into two sections. So I'll start on one side, apply throughout the length of my hair, and then move on to the other side. And then also later down in the video, you'll also see me split my hair into 4 sections, so I make sure and get the product inside to where my new growth is and just make sure that it gets everywhere. I just take my time and I apply the product literally everywhere. If you haven't noticed as yet, I will not be detangling my hair during this process. I just prefer not to detangle my hair when it's in this wet state, just to avoid breakage. I find that when your hair is wet, especially having relaxed hair one and then having to deal with two textures, your new growth and your relaxed ends, breakage is more common when your hair is wet. So I try to avoid detangling during this stage. I know a lot of people do, but I just prefer not to, just for the sake and for the health of my hair personally. I really enjoy using this TGIN hair mask. I know it is a relaxed hair cult favorite as well as a natural hair favorite as well. And I was a little bit skeptical at first because you guys know I am in love with my Shea Moisture Manuka honey mask, so it's very hard to top that. And while it doesn't top that mask, it still is a very good mask. It has a lot of good natural ingredients in it and it leaves my hair very soft and manageable after. So yeah, there's generally no complaints with this mask and I will be keeping it in rotation in my stash for the time being. Okay, so once all the product is applied to my hair, I use 2 clips just to clip it up into the 2 same sections that I've been working in throughout this process. And then I will cover my hair with a plastic cap and go under my heated cap after that. If you are an OG 90s baby, then you definitely know what this is. This is a golden hot heated conditioning cap. It's listen, this is definitely an old school thing, but it works and it does the trick. I usually set mine to the high setting and I will sit under it for about 20 minutes minimum. That's the minimum time that I usually deep condition for. I can go up to 45 minutes whenever I feel like it, but I always start out with 20 minutes. And if you want to look extremely cute, extremely attractive, then definitely take pictures with this cap on, because you just look super cute. I mean, look at me. And because I'm in one place for a while, I'll just usually go on YouTube and catch up on some videos just to keep myself entertained in the meanwhile. When the 20 minutes is up, I will come back and rinse my mask off. I rinse my hair with warm water because I have low porosity hair, and I want to make sure that my cuticles stay open for when I apply my leave-in products and my moisturizer. So I just give my scalp and my strands a little shake and a little scrub just to make sure that everything comes off and there's no excess mask remaining on my scalp. And that is the end of my deep conditioning routine, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video.